Hi guys, today we'll show you how to reset scheduled maintenance message in Lexus GX550. First of all, we have to go to settings, press this button right here. Then you will need to go to vehicle customize, then to utility, and on the right guys you will see scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance. So both of these can be reset. To do it, press on the scheduled maintenance, you will see the reset. You will have to press this reset button and the message will disappear. The reset will be done. And the same thing you can do with the oil maintenance. You'll press reset and the reset will be complete.